8 of class 6 physics. We will continue with lesson number 5. It is part 6. H part, differentiate between the following. First, umbra and penumbra. First answer, the region of complete shadow is called the umbra and the region of partially dark shadow is called the penumbra. These shadows are formed on the earth during a solar eclipse, and from the umbra we see a total eclipse, while from penumbra only a partial eclipse is visible. Second, pinhole camera image and shadow. Difference between pinhole camera image and shadow. First point for pinhole camera image is colorful. Second point, image give the detail of the object. Third, image is generally smaller than the object. Fourth, image has the same shape as the object and is always inverted. Shadow is always dark. Second point, shadow does not give any detail of object. Third point, shadow can be smaller or bigger than the object. Fourth, shape of the shadow varies depending on the orientation of the object and type of the light source. Third, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Third difference, solar eclipse, it occurs when moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Second point, moon blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow on earth. Third point, solar eclipse could be total or partial. Fourth point, total solar eclipse occurs when sun is completely blocked by the moon. Lunar eclipse, it occurs when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Second point, earth blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow on the moon. Third point, lunar eclipse could be total or partial. Fourth point, total lunar eclipse occurs when moon is completely eclipsed or blocked by the earth. First 4 points you have to write. I part, short answers question. First, state one property of light. First answer, one property out of 4 you have to write. Does not need a medium to travel. Second point, light is needed to see the object. Third point, light travel very fast at 3 lakh km per hour. Light travel along a straight line. Second question, state 2 applications of rectilinear propagation of light. Second answer, applications of rectilinear propagation of light. First, ray of light coming from sun to earth. Second, pinhole camera is based on rectilinear propagation of light. Third, shadow formation occurs when the straight path of light is blocked. Fourth, solar and lunar eclipse occur due to object coming in the path of straight line of light and form shadow. Any 2 points you have to write. Third, state 2 characteristics of an image made by the pinhole camera. Third answer, 2 characteristics of an image made by the pinhole camera. These are the 4 points you have to write any 2. Image is colorful. Second, image give the detail of the object. Third, image generally smaller than the object. Fourth, image has same shape as the object and is always inverted. Fourth, what is the principle of shadow formation? Fourth, principle of formation of shadow, light travel in straight line, and if an opaque object block the path of light, a shadow is formed. Second, 3 things are essential for the formation of shadow: source of light, opaque object to block light. Third, screen on which shadow is formed. Fifth, state the 3 things essential for shadow formation. Fifth answer, 3 things are essential for the formation of a shadow: source of light, opaque object to block light, screen on which shadow is formed. Sixth, What are the two reasons of shadow formation? Sixth answer. Shadow generally has two reasons, umbra and penumbra. And this diagram you will draw with this answer. Seventh, state one example of the following phenomena that occurs naturally. Pinhole camera and B. Shadow. There is pinhole camera. Pinhole, image of sun under a tree. B. Shadows. Example, eclipses. 8th, with the help of an activity, prove that light travels in a straight line. 8th answer. Take a piece of rubber tube or a pipe, fix a candle on the table and light it. Try to see the flame of the candle through the hole in the pipe. You will be able to see the candle. Now bend the tube a little and again try to see the flame of the candle through the pipe. You will not able to see it. Because light travel along a straight line and cannot pass through a curved pipe. And these two diagrams you will draw. 9th question. Give working of a pinhole camera. 9th answer. Working of pinhole camera. A pinhole camera work on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. When an object is placed in front of the pinhole camera, its image is formed on the butter paper screen. This diagram you will draw. Second point, light rays coming from the upper end of the object point A pass in a straight line through the pinhole and form the image at point A2. Similarly, light ray coming from the lower end of the object point B also through the pinhole camera in a straight line and form an image at point B1. Also pass through the pinhole in a straight line and form an image at point B1. From each point of the object between A and B, a corresponding image is formed between A1 and B1 at screen. This way, for an object AB, an inverted image A1B1 is formed on the butter paper screen. 10th question. Make diagram to show how the size of a shadow change with the type of light source. 10th answer. First diagram related to shadow formed due to a point source of light is larger. Second diagram, shadow formed due to an extended source of light is smaller. And third diagram, shadow formed due to an extended source of light is smaller than the object. These three diagrams you will draw in the notebook. 11th, draw a simple diagram showing solar eclipse. 11th answer, this diagram you will draw in the notebook. That moon is in the center of sun and earth, and where umbra and where the penumbra region is formed. 12th, when does lunar eclipse occur? 12th answer, lunar eclipse, it occurs when earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Earth blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow on the moon. Lunar eclipse could be total or partial. Total lunar eclipse occur when moon is completely eclipsed or blocked by earth. Partial lunar eclipse occur when moon is partially eclipsed, and the diagram you will draw. Revise full chapter.